Frame the weekend forecast and then look at next week as well as a cold pattern returns to central Indiana. First half of the weekend will be your warmer half of the weekend. Close to 50 degrees Saturday afternoon. You can see not nearly as warm on Sunday. And we'll sneak in a little light snow, it looks like, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Not significant, but noticeable. Noticeable because you can see your grass right now. Looks like we'll put a coating over that. Generally an inch of accumulation expected. Here's one of our TrueView models hinting at potential snowfall then Saturday night through the early morning hours, at least mid-morning hours on a Sunday. I'll show you more on the timing of that in a second. During the overnight hours in central Indiana, clear to partly cloudy skies. It stays breezy. Temperatures drop into the upper 20s from Lafayette to Peru. Muncie 29, Marion in the upper 20s. Then you go south, Bloomington and Columbus and Greensburg all in the lower 30s. That's your launching temperature for a Saturday afternoon high that will jump to 48 in the metro area. One other trend. Temperatures increase, but our cloud cover will increase as well, leading to that chance for snow Saturday night into Sunday. Temperatures late in the day, upper 40s, and fall off after that. If you look at high temperatures around the region, Bloomington, Columbus, Greensburg, you win. 50 for the high temperature there, while a couple degrees cooler in the metro area, and then 5 degrees off of that mark from Lafayette to Peru to Marion. Let's talk Sunday morning. All the white here is cloud cover. The blues represent some light snow sweeping across central Indiana. By noon, though, starting to depart to the east, and then we'll just work on colder temperatures then as we get into early next week. Light snow Sunday morning, 25 degrees at 8 a.m. We're just above the freezing mark. Whatever we get then Saturday night into early Sunday morning will be melting off. Temperature as we get to the afternoon hours at 35. Want to show you the 7-day planner and plan on much colder air returning. As a matter of fact, Wednesday we've got a high temperature of 21, but in the afternoon hours temperatures will fall back into the teens. Single-digit low temperatures Thursday and Friday. High temperatures only in the lower 20s. Tell me if you've heard that before.